Right Side Trader. Today is November 25th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, let's jump right on into this. It was a short week this week, holiday week, Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving and filled, with food. But let's take a quick look at this market. Being a short week, and we got a quick little pop on Monday and seemed like everybody went on vacation after that. But let's zoom on down and see what we see and wrap this on up right quick. Let me see if I got my chart set right. No, I don't. I never do at the beginning. So let's go right about in here. I think that might be good enough. All right, on the quarterly chart, as we can see, we are still green. We're still not crossed the 80 on the stochastic that I have set. But I do see us going higher. We have made a new yearly high, but not all-time highs. We're going to say that until next week. Next week, we should get over that all-time high. Yes, I am still bullish on the NASDAQ. I do expect to see it going higher. If we had a good Black Friday and they give you a nice forecast of what the retail sales were doing, that might be enough to actually push this market over the top. Just kind of like wait and see. And as we can see, we're still green there. Let's take a quick look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, what I see, we have, like I say, we have crossed R1 level. The question is, will we reach R2? If we reach R2, that's still just below our all-time high. We're going to be fighting this red candle over here and see if we can get past that. Will it happen next week or will it happen next month? That's the question. I do expect us to actually break that. But as we can see, this is our resistance right here. This is our supply over here. Have that supply diminished already where we're going to be able to just cruise on past there? I doubt it. It's going to be a little rough riding to get above that high. But as we can see, our stochastic doesn't tell us anything here at this time. At this time, our stochastic is just telling you if you're in the NASDAQ right now, you're in a management mode. This is not the time to be buying the NASDAQ, in my opinion. You should have already been in the NASDAQ and already be holding that. Or you could have been in and out. Right now, you can swing trade. No trade recommendation, so let's get out of the trading mode right there. And let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart. What I do see, we are bullish. We have made yearly highs, and the question is, can we make all-time highs? On the weekly chart, let's take a quick look at the weekly chart. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit like this. This is that downward trend channel that I was seeing before. Now we're 3 weeks out of that. I'm going to go ahead and remove this right now. Remove. That was, again, that was a good indication that this market was ready to go up. Just kind of let you guys see that it's my review, but I am providing you with some information here that might help you with your trading. No trade recommendation, but this is how we look at the charts. This is how we study things, and this is what I see. Again, the stochastic is about at the top. Again, if you're trading off your weekly chart, again, it's not time to buy. You're reaching a management mode where the stochastic can get up here and go sideways. Even though it can go sideways, as you can see, and continue going up. It's all based on your trading plan, your trading rules, and your trading strategies. If you didn't already get into the NASDAQ back here, and when it bounced off, I have a couple of moving averages not on here on the weekly chart. This should be my 50 and my 200. It never came down to the 50, as we can see. I think it bounced on the 10 on the monthly chart. It was a second chance, another chance to get long on the NASDAQ But as we can see, we are continuing up. It was not a really big week, holiday week, but it did make new highs. The high this week was a 393.07, and if we go back, our previous high for the year was a 387. So we are at new highs for the year. Let's go down to the daily chart. On the daily chart, let's just take a zoom in here a little bit And we have been running up on the daily chart. Again, it was one of those ones where I said it was going to base rally. It just rallied only one day, and it stayed inside up here. Again, a holiday week. A holiday week is you got a lot of the big money probably on vacation, so you get some crazy trading like this, and just going sideways. You have to. It's different trading, when you don't have the normal volume out there, and based on you, based on your trading plans, your trading strategies, you can trade or you cannot trade. You can take a vacation with the big guys, or you can go out here and try to scrape up a little bit of money, however you see fit. But as we can see, we had that big day Monday, and we kind of stayed inside that day the whole while. We poked outside of it above an R1 on a weekly. These are weekly pivots. And we came right back down below that. So now next week, I am looking for us to open above, a pivot. And if we open above a pivot, that's on the weekly picture here, as I'm seeing, I do expect us to go to all-time. We won't quite make it to all-time highs, because again, to go to all-time highs, we'll have to go to an R3 level. So that kind of like puts out, we won't quite make it next week. That's why it might be next month before we get to all-time highs. And that's what I see. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys having a happy Thanksgiving, having a happy vacation time here, and just like the rest of us. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.